Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'd like to direct you again how to improve speaking skill using a short story. Well, this story is related to the use of simple present tense. Well, one of the functions of simple present tense is to express or to describe habitual action. Well, to improve your speaking skill, you should listen to me carefully and repeat after me sentence by sentence. And you should also try to memorize it and retell it. In the end, I will ask you some questions about it. Now please listen and repeat after me sentence by sentence. At noon, Williams goes to the cafeteria and has lunch. Then he returns to his office and works until 6 o'clock. He goes home at 6 o'clock. He has dinner at 7 o'clock. He goes to bed at 11 o'clock. Okay, do you still remember the story? Now please answer my questions. Question number 1. When does Williams usually go to the cafeteria? Question number 2. What does he do after lunch? Does he return to his office? What time does he go home? What time does he have dinner? And what time does he go to bed? What about you? What time do you usually have lunch? What do you do after lunch? What do you usually do in the evening? What time do you have dinner? The last questions, what time do you usually go to bed every night? Well, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment and share. Thanks for watching.